Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Premiere Pro templates from Premiere Rush, full guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Rush on your device. Navigate to the Media tab at the bottom of the screen. Click on the Add Media button located at the left side of the screen. Select Browse from the options presented. In the Browse section, locate the Templates tab at the top of the interface. Click on the Templates tab to explore available options. Filter templates by type or theme, if needed, to find what suits your project best. Once you find a template you like, click on it to view more details. Review the template's description, features, and compatibility. If prompted, sign in with your Adobe account credentials. Follow any additional prompts to complete the subscription or download. Wait for the template to download fully to your device. Once the download is complete, return to the main workspace in Adobe Premiere Rush. Locate the downloaded template in your Media section. Click on the template to open it in your project. Customize the template by adding your own videos, images, and text. Adjust any settings or effects according to your project needs. Preview the final result to ensure everything looks good. When satisfied, export your project as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.